Hi, babies. Oh, hi. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Come on, there's male number 1. It's getting sassy with me. There's male number 2. And here's male number 3, climbing up, trying to get up to me. They're really getting used to me now that I feed them food every day, so they get very excited when they see me. Here's male number 1. Still has an adorable little face. I've always been in love with his little face. Here's his whole body. And then here we have male number 2. What a cutie little pie here. Hey! Hey! Yeah. And male number 3. Hey! Hey, little stinker. Hey! There goes that little tail. Yep. There goes that little tail, and lots of puppy kisses on my hand. What, guys? Let's show some of your personality. Come on, let's show. Come on. You want to all come and play? You want to all come and play? I'm in the pool with them now, and they're... Oh, yeah, they're after my feet. Come here, puppies. I have to climb out because it's hard to get a video of them when I'm on top of them. Here we go. Oh, aren't we cute? Aren't we so cute? Aren't we so cute? They all have tails wagging. Oh, what are you doing? Are you barking at me? Are you barking at me? There's number 1. Absolutely adorable. Number 2 has a beautiful face too. Absolutely love their little masks. And here we got number 3. Beautiful white face. Yes, little wiggle butt. Always wagging, wagging. I've got the crying puppies in the background, and I've got Chloe wanting to be part of this, and she's out in the kitchen barking at me. Lots of noise in the background, but... Hey! Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. What's the matter?